In this example, we're going to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. The two numbers we're going to multiply are 672 by 79. First, we want to write our larger number on top. So I'm going to go ahead and write down 672. Then we'll write our smaller number on bottom, 79. I'm going to draw a bar underneath the two to separate the multiplication from the result of the multiplication. And I'm going to write an X to represent a multiplication symbol between the two numbers. Now we have our problem set up, and we're going to start with the ones place of the smaller number on bottom. So I have a 9 in my ones place, and I'm going to multiply the 9 times all of the digits in the larger number on top in order. So I start with the 9 in the ones place of the 79, and I multiply it by the 2 in the ones place of the 672. 9 times 2 is 18. I write down the result of the ones place of the multiplication down below, the 8. The 1 I carry over and put it above the tens place, above the 7. So 9 has been multiplied by 2, and it gave us 18. Again, the 8 is down below. The 1 is up above the 7 in the tens place of 672. Then I multiply 9 times 7, which gives us 63. I add the 1 to 63, and that gives me a result of 664. So I put the 4 down below, and I put a 6 up above. So again, we put the ones place of the multiplication down below and the tens place of the multiplication up above. So I get 64. Then I multiply 9 times 6, which is 54. And I do 54 plus 6, which is 60. So I write down my ones place down below. And since there's no other place to carry the 6 to, I put the 6 down below as well. So I write the entire result of 60. Now 9 has been multiplied by the 2, the 7, and the 6. We can go ahead and move on to the 7. I'm going to cross out the 6 and 1 above because I've already used those. And since 7 is in the tens place, I need to put a 0 in the ones place of the multiplication. So I put the 0 directly below the 8. And I multiply 7 times 2, giving us 14. So put the 4 down here and the 1 up above. 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 1 is 50. So I put a 0 and then a 5 up above the 6. And 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 5 is 47. Once we have multiplied the 9 by the 6, 7, and 2, and the 7 by the 6, 7, and 2, we add the results of both of those multiplications. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 7 is 13. So put the 3 down below and put the 1, carry the 1 up above. 4 plus 1 is 5. And the result of multiplying the two numbers together is 53088, or 53,088.